In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-fit columns in Google Sheets. If you've ever worked in a spreadsheet and noticed that some of your text is cut off, or a column is either too narrow or much wider than it needs to be, auto-fitting is a quick way to clean things up. It helps the column automatically adjust to match the size of the data inside it, which makes your sheet easier to read and more professional looking. To get started, go to your Google Sheet, open the spreadsheet where you want to adjust the column width. Once you're in the sheet, take a moment to locate the specific column that you want to auto-fit. This could be a column with names, dates, prices, or any other data that isn't displaying properly. Next, right-click on the column you want to auto-fit. Make sure you right-click on the column header at the top, where you see the letter for that column rather than on an individual cell. This opens a menu with several options related to that column. From that menu, click on Resize the column. This option allows you to manually control the width of the selected column. It's also where Google Sheets gives you the option to automatically size the column based on the content inside it, so you don't have to guess the right width yourself. After that, click on Fit to Data. This is the setting that tells Google Sheets to automatically adjust the width of the column so that it fits the longest or widest entry in that column. It's especially useful when you're dealing with mixed data lengths and want everything to be visible without making the column unnecessarily large. Once you've selected that option, click on OK. As soon as you do, the column will resize automatically. You should immediately see the difference with the data fitting more neatly inside the cells. And that's it. That's how you auto-fit columns in Google Sheets. If you're working with multiple columns, this same process can be repeated for each one you want to adjust. It's a simple formatting step, but it can make a big difference in how clear and organized your spreadsheet looks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.